Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum YouTube family. Today we will discuss about Gulf and Bays. It's our third lecture, right? First of all, you people should hello and hi with Gulf and Bays. What are Gulfs and what are Bays? You can see here definition of Gulf. Gulf is a large inlet from the ocean into the landmass with narrow opening. It's mean that Gulf basically itself is a water body, but it connected with the land from a very thin piece of land, right? And bay is a smaller water body that is connected to land. This is bay is smaller as compared to Gulf. Basically both of these are same, only size is different of both. There are number of gulfs and bays in the world, but I have today I will try my best to deliver my lecture on these gulfs and bays properly, right? And these gulfs and bays will be common, that are very important and mostly repeated in all type of exams, in all type of competition exams, job related exams, right? So let's start. Today we start our lecture from first Gulf of the world. We will start from Australia. This curve is a gulf, right? This curve is a gulf, and this gulf is connected from this thin piece of land to the earth. This is called Gulf of Carpentaria. This gulf name is Gulf of Carpentaria. Carpentaria, right? Both are this is a single but not two, right? Gulf of Carpentaria is a Gulf of Australia, right? Why this gulf name Carpentaria, and when this gulf was discovered, we will study all of this. Gulf of Carpentaria discovered round about in 16th century, right? This gulf was discovered in 16th century, and Peter de Carpenter was the Governor General of Dutch. That's why its name is Gulf of Carpentaria, on the name of Governor General of Dutch, who served Dutch from 1923 to 1927. From his name, this gulf got its name Gulf of Carpentaria, and this gulf was discovered in 16th century, round about from 1605 to 1627 or 28. Work was carrying on this gulf. Next gulf is here. This gulf is called Great Australian Bight. This gulf is called Great Australian Bight, right? This is second bay of the Australia. One is gulf and this is bay. Remember this. Carpentaria is a gulf and Great Australian Bight is a bay. Great Australian Bight, you can say this located in Indian Ocean, and this Gulf of Carpentaria is located in here Pacific Ocean, right? This is located in Indian Ocean. I have delivered my lecture on oceans of the world already. Round about first lecture was related to oceans, right? And Great Australian Bight is of Indian Ocean. You can say located in Indian Ocean. When this Great Australian Bight was formed? Great Australian Bight formed when Australia and Antarctica separated from each other. When Australia and Antarctica separated from each other, then this bay was formed, right? Remember all of these. Next we move forward. Here is Gulf of Thailand. This is Gulf of Thailand. This gulf got its name from country Thailand. Thailand is a country, we know this. Here Thailand is present. On the name of Thailand, this gulf got its name. Remember all of these things, right? And this was discovered around about in 1939. This also remember, right? One thing more about Gulf of Thailand is this. This is present in South China Sea. South China Sea, we always and nowadays when we watch any talk show or any news channel, then we found there that the South China Sea is disputed territory. South China Sea is disputed sea between America and China, because the different countries said that they have control on the South China Sea. That's why this is a controversial territory. And Gulf of Thailand is present in the South China Sea, right? Gulf of Thailand is in South China Sea. Remember this. And this Gulf got its name from country Thailand. This is the Gulf of Thailand that is present in Asia, right? Now moving next, the most important bay of Asia is Bay of Bengal, that is here. This is Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal got its name from country Bengal, and all of you know Bengal was the part of subcontinent, and before the formation of Pakistan already Bengal was separated from subcontinent, right? And Bay of Bengal is largest bay of the world. Also remember that Bay of Bengal is largest bay of the world, right? And here we know there is Arabian Peninsula, and in Arabian Peninsula different countries are present. Different Arabian countries. Here first Gulf is present, that is known as Gulf of Persia. That is known as Gulf of Persia, right? Here another Gulf is present, that is known as Gulf of Oman. Here third Gulf of Aden. Sorry, is capital Gulf of Aden. Why these Gulf got their name? This Gulf got its name Persia, because this is present in Iran and make a border between different countries. Gulf of Persia, ancient name of Iran was Persia, right? That's why this Gulf got its name Persia. Gulf of Oman, it's the Gulf of Oman country. Here is Gulf of Aden. Gulf of Aden. Aden is the city of Yemen. Aden is the city of Yemen. That's why this Gulf got its name Gulf of Aden, right? Here in Africa, one Gulf is present, that is known as Gulf of Guinea. Due to Guinea country of Africa, this Gulf got its name Gulf of Guinea, right? This Gulf is known as Gulf of Guinea. When we move upward toward Europe, in Europe one Gulf is present toward upside of the Europe, that is Gulf of Bothnia. Here you can say in Scandinavian Peninsula, here Gulf of Bothnia, right? Gulf of Bothnia is a part of Baltic Sea. Remember this, Gulf of Bothnia is a part of Baltic Sea, and it is present between Sweden and France, because in Scandinavian Peninsula we know France and Sweden and Norway, all of these are present. So Gulf of Bothnia is present between Sweden and France. It's the part of Baltic Sea, right? Next one is more here in Italy. Here is Italy, and the most important MCQ is always repeated, mostly repeated in different exam, that what is the shape of Italy in world map? Remember this, the shape of Italy is shoe sole shape. Okay? Italy, here is Gulf of Taranto, right? This is Gulf of Tonnato, that is present in Italy. Gulf of Tonnato. Next, moving here something like this is extended, but here like this, extended from here. Here is Gulf of Mexico. Gulf of Mexico. All of you people know that Gulf of Mexico got its name from Mexico country that is present in North America, right? That's why this is known as Gulf of Mexico. This Gulf was not known around about up to 1540s, but after 1540 it was found and got its name Gulf of Mexico. Here California is present, therefore the Gulf will be called Gulf of California. Gulf of California, right? Here is Gulf of California. Moving next, here Baffin Islands are present. Due to presence of Baffin Islands, this Gulf is known as Gulf Bay of Baffin. Sorry, this is Bay, not Gulf. Bay of Baffin. Due to presence of Baffin Islands that are present here, right, like this. These are Baffin Islands. That's why this is known as Baffin Bay. Next, here is Gulf of Alaska. Here Alaska is present. That's why this is known as Gulf of Gulf of Alaska. This Gulf of Alaska was founded in 1714, roundabout in 1741. This Gulf was founded in 1741. This Gulf is present in Alaska. That's why this is known as Gulf of Alaska, right? Today our lecture was about these gulfs and bays. I hope all of you will clear your concept about bays and gulfs, and remember me in your prayer. Subscribe my channel and like this channel. I will be very thankful to you, and all of my videos will be beneficial for you, inshallah. Pray for me. Allah Hafiz.